Hi, I'm Rob with Alta Tax Relief. Many people talk about wanting to get penalties waived by the IRS. In many situations, that's not so easy. The IRS requires reasonable cause, extraordinary circumstances for them to abate penalties many times. There are other programs like the first time penalty abatement provision, but you can only use it on one tax year for your entire life. There are other ways to reduce penalties when you have a situation where you could potentially owe. One of the ways to reduce penalties is to pay current taxes on time. Making your estimated tax payments on time eliminates the estimated tax penalty. Many taxpayers pay estimated tax penalties without even knowing it. It's actually a number that gets figured up on your tax return and almost becomes part of your initial tax debt when your taxes are eventually processed. The estimated tax payment penalty comes to around 3 or 4%. So if you owe the IRS $10,000 and pay them on tax day, you're still going to be assessed another $300 or $400 for not making those estimated tax payments on time. If you owe tax debt and you get into a payment agreement with the IRS, ongoing penalties actually get reduced. The failure to pay penalty is normally 0.5% a month for up to 48 months. When you get onto an installment agreement, on the remainder of that 48 months, that 0.5% penalty per month goes down to 0.25%. So you actually save half of the penalties. Another way to avoid penalties is to make sure that you always file your tax returns on time, even if you can't pay the bill. The IRS charges a failure to file penalty of up to 25% of what is owed. And it's simply for not filing the tax return in the first 5 months when it's due. If you have a business and you have to file W-2s, an 1120S, or a corporate or a partnership 1065 return, those returns actually get charged penalties for being filed late. In the case of W-2s, the penalties can be absolutely enormous as they are charged per employee. When you're looking at a business for filing your 1120S or 1065 return late, those penalties are based upon the number of partners or corporate officers, and it could add up to a substantial amount of money as it is charged over a number of months. To avoid penalties, it's best to start taking action before they can even be charged. So please, file your tax returns on time, make your estimated tax payments on time, and reduce the penalties that the IRS or the state could possibly charge you. Please visit our website at altataxrelief.com for how we can help you handle your tax debt, find options, and get them implemented. We offer a free 30-minute consultation where we can discuss your situation with you and give you an idea of what your options are. We offer flat fees so you don't have to worry about hourly billing, and we provide service that is second to none. Thank you very much and have a great day.